Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are unboxing the Louis Vuitton Takashi Murakami collaboration Multigram Cat Eye sunglasses. Now these sunglasses come in two colorways, and we picked up the multicolor noir, which is the black colorway, all black, black front, black lens, and black side. But they also come in a rose blanc colorway. So it has a pink front, a white side, and kind of like a rose colored glass. Talk about seeing through rose colored glasses. Now, unfortunately, I really wanted the pink colorway, but I could only get my hands on the black. So for now, this is what we will be enjoying. Now, what I love about these sunglasses is that they are very mod. They're also pretty retro given the Murakami, but with the black specifically, the Murakami doesn't stand out too terribly much. So these are going to be just kind of like a mod silhouette, and especially with the white lining along the top of the lens, they're going to be really, in that kind of style. Now, a few features about these sunglasses: they are made of acetate. They have the monogram on the sides. They do have black lenses. They are a low cat eye shape. They claim to have 100% UV protection. They have 11% transmittance, whatever that means. I think that's probably about the opacity. And they are a filter category 3. Now, I don't really know what all those things mean, but when I put these on, they do block out a good portion of light, and they're, like a typical sunglass. Now, I did my absolute best to give you a close-up and personal view of what color these lenses are, because I do know that that is important. Now, on the inside, just as any sunglasses, you are going to see some branding. You'll have Louis Vuitton written in there, as well as the model number. Now, I don't think that they actually provide the size of the frame, right? Like typically you'll have like 54 or even 49 to 54, around that area is going to be kind of typical for a women's frame. These weren't the tightest sunglasses, but they felt comfortable. So overall, a good experience. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.